Hi everyone, welcome once again to Easy Learning with Deepti. So we have covered all the three animal tissues, which are your connective tissue, muscular tissue, and your epithelial tissue. Now in this video, we will discuss the last tissue of animal cells, that is your nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is basically made up of the nerve cells or neurons. Many nerve cells are bound by connective tissues to make a nerve. Now, what are the function of these nervous tissue? They are very specialized tissues that help in transmitting stimuli from one place to other in the body. They are highly specialized. All right. And secondly, they control all activities of our body. Now, what are the locations for this nervous tissue? Number one is your brain. Number two is your spinal cord. And number three is nerves that are made up of nervous tissue. So, boss brain, spinal cord, and nerves. These three are the main part of our nervous system, and nervous tissue is found in all these parts. Now, what is the structure of this nervous tissue? Nervous tissue, it looks like a tree with branches coming out of it. A neuron has three parts. A neuron has three parts means a nerve cell has basically three parts. Number one is your star-shaped body called cytosol, which has nucleus and cytoplasm in it. The second long part is called axon that carry messages away from the cytosol. And the third part is short branched part called dendrites that carry messages towards the cytosol. Where the dendrites of a neuron and the axon of another neuron, they just meet, that part is called your synapse. Okay. Nervous tissues are made up of two cells, two main type of cells. Number one is neuron, which are the primary factor for generating and conducting your nerve impulses. And the second one is the supporting cells, which are also called the glial cells and make a major part of your nervous system. These are the non-conducting cells that support, insulate, and protect the neurons. So basically, these glial cells or supporting cells are the PAs of these neurons. Now, the main component of nervous system is again the boss brain, the spinal cord, and your nerves, and they regulate and controls the body function. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching.